Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way we approach wildfire prevention. And researchers believe that drone teams could play a critical role in stopping fires before they become uncontrollable. A new study in the UK is exploring the potential for swarms of up to 30 autonomous drones to detect and extinguish fires in real time. These drones, rather than being piloted by humans, will work together using AI to efficiently spot and manage fires. The concept of drones assisting firefighters is not entirely new. Drones piloted by humans are already used to detect hidden hotspots, assess risks, and even help extinguish blazes in challenging environments. However, this project takes drone firefighting a step further by introducing autonomous technology and swarm engineering. The team, which includes firefighters, engineers, and scientists, aims to combine these two advanced technologies to create a sophisticated system that can coordinate drone swarms to handle wildfires more effectively. These drones are designed to be large, twin-engined aircraft with an impressive 9.5-meter wingspan and a significant capacity for carrying water or fire-retardant materials. Unlike typical drones, they are built to operate independently without any need for remote control. The key challenge now is to use swarm engineering to make multiple drones work in unison, drawing inspiration from nature. Birds, ants, and bees coordinate complex group behaviors seamlessly, and the researchers hope to replicate this in their drone systems. Professor Sabine Howard from the University of Bristol, a project partner, likened the drone's potential coordination to the way animals communicate and move as a group. By enabling drones to operate as a swarm, they can cover larger areas and respond more quickly to emerging threats. While this system is still in its testing phase, it could become a vital tool in the battle against increasingly destructive wildfires caused by climate change. Drones are just one example of how technology is being leveraged to combat environmental challenges. For instance, in Colorado, a new right-to-repair law has been introduced to help consumers repair their electronics more easily, rather than disposing of them. This is part of a broader trend aimed at reducing electronic waste, which currently totals around 7 million tons per year. With 6 U.S. states now adopting similar laws, these efforts aim to cut costs for consumers and reduce the environmental footprint associated with electronic waste. Meanwhile, across Europe, similar legislation is being enacted. The European Union recently voted to enforce rules that would make it easier for customers to repair their devices, potentially saving consumers $195 billion over 15 years, and preventing the release of 18.5 million tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. In other technological advancements, the use of autonomous robots is expanding beyond just firefighting and repair work. Shake Shack has partnered with Serve Robotics to test autonomous delivery robots in Los Angeles, and Greater Manchester Police in the UK are trialing AI-powered cameras to detect drivers using mobile phones or not wearing seatbelts. These innovations highlight how AI and robotics are being integrated into everyday services to improve safety and efficiency.